Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to group or ungroup in Canva. So to do that, head on to Canva website, and once you're here, let's start a new project. So I'm just going to start a new project over here. And let's search for some templates. Alright, so I'm just going to use this and drag it over here. Alright, so once you're here, if you want to group some image, just click here, and then first let's search for any image and import some image. So let's bring our dumbbell over here. Alright, so if you want to group this, all you have to do is hold shift button on your keyboard, click here, and then click on another image that you want to group. Alright, so now all you have to do is right click this and then click on group. You can even do it with the Ctrl Z. So here we have grouped it. Alright, so as you can see, this is now grouped. So if you want to ungroup here, you can see the option for ungroup as well. So all you have to do is just click here and it will be like as before. So yeah, that is how you can ungroup and group in Canva. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.